Welcome to our YouTube video on replacing alcohol addiction. If you or someone you know is struggling with alcoholism, this video is here to provide guidance on healthier alternatives. Alcohol addiction is a complex issue that affects millions. It's crucial to recognize the signs and acknowledge its negative impact on physical and mental health, relationships, and daily life. Start by consulting a healthcare professional or therapist. They can help create a personalized treatment plan, which may include detox, counseling, and support groups. Replace alcohol with healthier options. Exercise can boost endorphins and reduce cravings. Mindfulness and meditation help manage stress. Seek social support from friends and family. Explore new hobbies or rediscover old interests. Art, music, sports, or cooking can be enjoyable distractions that fill the void left by alcohol. Set achievable goals. Pursue a career or educational path. Staying busy can keep your mind focused on positive endeavors. Joining support groups like AA, Alcoholics Anonymous, provides a network of people who understand your struggle and can offer guidance and encouragement. If you choose to drink, do so mindfully and in moderation. Keep track of your consumption and be aware of triggers. Eat well, get enough sleep, and prioritize self-care. A healthy lifestyle helps maintain emotional balance, reducing the need for alcohol as a coping mechanism. Replacing alcohol addiction is a journey that requires commitment and support. Remember, it's possible to overcome addiction and lead a fulfilling, alcohol-free life. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more helpful content on recovery.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.